warning for northwestern Jones County, southern Delaware County, northeastern Lynn County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Turtle Creek Park to near Buck Creek to near Lynn County Fairgrounds, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Emergency management reported quarter-sized hail west of Cogden. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Manchester, Dyersville, Monticello, Central City, Earlville, Cogden, Hopkinton, Delhi, Ryan, Prairie Burke, Delaware, Jones County Fairgrounds, Buffalo Creek Park, Howard H. Cherry Scout Reservation, Lynn County Fairgrounds, Pinnacon Ridge Park, Buck Creek, Bailey's Ford Park, and Turtle Creek Park. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern and east central Iowa.